Hi, my name is Leanne Merritt. I am currently the assistant principal at Edgewood Elementary in Whiteville, North Carolina. We are a 3-5 elementary school. I work for the Whiteville City School District. We're one of the few small city school districts left in the state. We have a primary school, K2. Our school's 3-5. We have a middle school, a high school, and the alternative school. So for this course, I will be doing my 150-hour internship over at Whiteville High School with Mr. Jess Seeley. And part of those hours I will also do here, considering that I am the assistant principal right now, and I kind of already have some obligations here at the end of the year that I have to do. I'm very excited about this course. I graduated last year with my curriculum instruction master's from UNCW. I did my undergrad and my AIG certification at East Carolina University, and I graduated with a CIS. I never really had the idea to go into this kind of administration and this school. I've been working at this school for 7 years. Before that, I worked in Pitt County and also in Johnston County. And I came upon this job. We had a couple rough years of administration, and my current principal, Mr. Worthington, just became principal here. He was actually the assistant principal at the high school for the last few years and was assistant principal here several years ago. And through new curriculum jobs opening and interviewing for that, because that's what I graduated with and that's where I thought I wanted to be. And we actually have a new superintendent, and just the climate of the school here and a lot of the teachers really encouraged me to actually apply for this job. And here I am. So I have to do my MSA add-on licensure. I've finished my only needed 3 credit hours, and now that I'm just doing the internship. So really the hardest thing, the biggest challenge that I have with this course is trying to balance looking at it as a student in this course, but also trying to maintain my job duties already as the principal, the assistant principal, sorry. And because this summer I am in charge of the Read to Achieve summer camp for those third graders that don't pass. So that is a huge undertaking, trying to balance that with also doing my internship hours. So I like the flexibility of this course, being allowed to do some here, and I'm looking forward to working at the high school because I've never done that before, so that will be really exciting. And I'm really looking forward to learning and enjoying this course. So thank you.